Why doesn't my linked material play well? I can't edit like this. No. Come on. How do I do this? Hi, welcome to Crazy Avid Duck. Let's get this fixed. So, linked material may cause problems in playback sometimes. Well, that's because of the codec. In case it doesn't work, you can transcode it. So now mark your clips you want to transcode, all link files. Go press the right button and then go to Transcode Consolidate. Yes, that's it. Press it. So at the first you can consolidate or transcode it. In this case we need to transcode it because the files are in a different codec. That causes playback problems. Oops, back again. So just press on transcode. You will find down here your target drives. You can choose your drive you want to place your transcoded material. In this case, I take my project work drive. On the right side, in this open window, you find your project dimensions. So raster dimensions, I always choose source dimensions in case you have 4K or 8K material and you want to work on HD. Choose source dimensions so you can scale your image. Changing source dimension gets interesting if you want to create proxies or if you have really to increase your playback performance. In this case, source dimension should work out, and I normally recommend to keep the source frame rate. Keep the source frame rate is useful. Let's say the cameraman sees the film and says, hey, why didn't you use the slow motion? I shot it just for you. In this case, you can't miss this point. That's why I personally use source frame rate, so I always know which intention or where mistakes come from. Next point, target video resolution. Here I recommend two options. One, DNX HR HiQX. X stands for 10-bit. It's just important if you're working very professional and having your material be color corrected in a professional color correction tool. Then you will need X for detailed color options. For normal projects, I use the HQ MXF. HQ for high quality, that's really enough and it should work great. If you still need more performance, you can go to SQ or LB, like low bitrate, but you guys, I don't know which computer you have, but I never needed it. HQ was always perfect for normal color correction options. At last, the audio, I won't change anything. It should work out perfectly by default. So press transcode. And there it works. There it is. Transcoding. In the background, Avid will create a Avid Media File folder. This folder is named Avid Media Files. In this folder you find your Avid Media Files you've transcoded. At the ending of this video you find a link how to organize your media files, in case you're simultaneously working on more than one project. Now back to the project. So now my material is digitized. You will see the icons have changed. The first two are different, and down you find the linked files with a link symbol. Okay, let's see if it works. So I'll try this one. Okay, let's see if it works. Voila! Fine, smooth editing possibilities. Playback perfectly. 5 minutes a day keeps your headache away. Don't forget to subscribe, Crazy Avid Duck. Simultaneously working on more projects, you should know how to organize your Avid Media Files. Happy creating!